At 750 White Plains Road in Eastchester, part of the former Lord & Taylor department store has been reconfigured to become home to White Plains Hospital Physician Associates of Scarsdale. Hospital executives, physicians, and staff joined with invited guests for a formal opening ceremony and ribbon cutting on the evening of October 16th. The new facility offers a wide variety of healthcare services for patients.
We're just so thrilled and so excited to be able to have our staff be able to work in a facility like this, and more importantly, to have our patients be treated in a facility like this. So very exciting, and so much work has gone into this. Obviously, it's been reimagined. We all know this building as Lord & Taylor, right? And we were just reminiscing about the length of time that it took. It did take a while, and part of that was we rented a certain amount, and then more space became available, and then there was other stories that happened, like anything. But we made it, and we're recognizing it's been a long road, but one well worth it.
This beautiful 70,000 square foot facility is the home to more than 40 doctors, and a lot of them are right around here. And we're so grateful that they're here. We have every specialty you can imagine, all right here. Orthopedic surgery, OBGYN, cardiology, otolaryngology, dermatology, and all the other iologies, as well as the imaging and diagnostic services. It's all right here, everything. By expanding access to a broader range of specialties in one convenient location, we were just talking about that, we'll be able to easier take care of our patients. They'll be able to make their appointments for referrals that they might have gotten from their primary care doctor. All of that can happen right here, as well as their imaging. If they need mammography or they need an ultrasound, all of that can be done right here. Our patients will also find comfort in knowing that the hospital is 4 miles up the road. So if they need inpatient services or emergency services, we're right there, which is very helpful.
Imagine a patient visiting their family medicine doctor or provider here. They may come in for a routine checkup, but suppose their provider hears an irregular heartbeat or determines that additional imaging is required to rule out a diagnosis. Because cardiology and advanced imaging are just down the hall, this patient can often receive a quick consultation the very same day with a follow-up appointment already in place before they leave. That's what timely, coordinated care looks like, and it's exactly what this center was designed to deliver. As a physician, I could tell you that this ability to collaborate in real time is invaluable. And doing so in a facility as modern, efficient, and patient-centered as this only enhances the experience for everyone involved.
Patients want to feel that everyone is on their side, and not just the quality of care, but the experience of care. The fact that your care is coordinated, that you come in with one thing and you're referred to another thing, and you can actually get that done at the same time in the same place, and come out with a feeling, wow, these people are worried about me, not something else. They're worried about my health, and they're committed to caring for it. This is the game-changing experience for the patients that we represent here as elected officials. The opportunity to have the highest quality integrated care, the integrated service, the beautiful setting, and the feeling that healthcare is here to make us healthier and better, regardless of our circumstances and our health.
So we are delighted that you're here. This is a beautiful, beautiful facility. And I tell you, I think it's an improvement on Lord & Taylor, if you could imagine that. But don't tell them I said that, though. In any event, we are delighted that you're here. We embrace you. The town of Eastchester embraces you. And we are just looking forward to a great future together. So thank you very much, all.
An iconic landmark is one thing, but a hospital and a system that has the lift and the great work that's done out of the Montefiore umbrella continues to make sure that we have the utmost and great care in Westchester County, and certainly their leadership and here is going to be equal to the kind of things that happened in Lord and Taylor with just a little bit of a different spin, right? Yeah, we are so very privileged to have White Plains Hospital and the Physicians Associates of Scarsdale here in Eastchester, in the county of Westchester, in the state of New York. Thank you so much.
It's reassuring to be a resident of Westchester County knowing that the efforts being made by White Plains Hospital and the Montefiore Health System to expand the breadth of healthcare services in the region are always trying to increase the trajectory and reach the highest points. We're really dedicated to providing the best patient care, and this is an example of making our doctors and our patients happy to be in a facility that speaks to the same quality that they bring to each of our patients. Between this beautiful new Eastchester Center and the hospital expansion that's currently underway in White Plains, it's clear that we're committed to delivering the best healthcare services in the region with world-class physicians and programs. We continue to add services like cardiac surgery, structural heart, neurosciences, orthopedics, and cancer care. The current expansion of the hospital in White Plains will double the size of our inpatient hospital. We're going to move from 292 beds to 436 beds. We're going to add 8 to 10 new operating rooms and providing 100% private patient rooms and doubling the size of our emergency department, all to meet the needs of patients and residents in the region.